All right, good morning. We're here bright and early. Guys are in the middle of tearing off a roof here, so this is how it's done. They get all the shingles off, and then they have a special tool. This shovel gets the nails. A lot of nails. Now these round head nails actually hold the tar paper in place, and these nails that you see right here used to hold the shingle in place. So back in the day, they used to use this tar paper. See, this is what was used way back when, and it's not really a great product any longer. We have a lot better product. We're going to actually put a peel and stick barrier on this roof. You'll see that as we go further in this project. I'm going to highlight this project and show everybody, exactly what we're doing here. Now, a lot of people don't understand what this opening is in the roof. This is for the ridge vent. This is the actual ventilation of the whole entire house here. Now, if you look inside the roof, I can actually put my phone in here, and let's see here. You can see the ductwork. You can see the attic. So this is the attic of the house right here, which is pretty cool, right? I mean, this is the interior of the house that's visible. But once we put the ridge on here, the ridge vent, nothing can get in, no insects, no wildlife, just air, just ventilation, no water. So they make these ridge vents specifically so that they're pest-proof, waterproof, great products. Now this roof down here, this was what is called a flat roof. We have to add pitch to it because it was holding a lot of water. This house had some leaks. We're going to pitch this roof properly. We're going to add a torch down modified here material with the pitch, and we're going to tie it in nicely to this aluminum porch roof that they have here. I'm going to suggest that they clean this off. All this leaf debris isn't good for a house. You want to make sure you have all your debris off the roof. It adds to insect problems, rotting, water drainage issues. And in the front here, this is the carport. They have a modified torch down roof existing. We're going to take this off and put a new one here. Morning. How you doing, David? This is where all the shingle debris goes into the dump trailer. We don't use any dumpsters. We use dump trailers. They're very non-invasive, easy to move on the job site. Rubber tire, doesn't hurt the driveway at all. Most of the time, the dumpsters actually cause a little bit of damage if you don't put plywood down. And the trucks are very big and heavy that have to move them, so it's better to use a dump trailer. Now you can see our truck. David just showed up with the truckload of the waterproof material. That's the peel and stick installation that we're going to put in place. Now this is interesting. This is what happens when you don't clean out your gutters. We're taking these gutters off this house and we're going to put all new gutters, but see, this will cause a lot of damage to a house. A seed gets in to the gutters and it starts to grow a tree. And if you look, I can't even pull this tree out. And I'll guarantee you, I'll try. Nope, I can't. I'll guarantee you these roots probably go into the attic of the house and start to really, cause a lot of damage to the home. So that's why you want to make sure your gutters are always cleaned out. It could cause water backup that'll get into your soffits, rot out your fascia. So there's all types of maintenance that you should be doing annually, biannually on your roof to make sure that everything functions the way it's supposed to. And you have long-term usability of your roof, because it's a big investment in your home. So that's what we're doing here. I saw somebody put in the chat, they wanted to know what we were doing here. We're doing a roof. It's a shingle roof replacement here in Sarasota, Florida. So we'll highlight this project as we're going along. Again, we're taking off this tar that we have here in place, this tar paper, and we're going to be putting a peel and stick barrier down. Now, this is an older house. Back in the day, they used plank wood, which is great. This is an amazing roof deck. Nowadays, we use plywood, but you know, back before there was plywood, they used planks. So that's a great deck material right here. Very solid. You know, you can see this is just a great deck.